Earn money online with Quinvio, creating engaging video presentations made easy. Quinvio is an innovative AI tool that enables you to effortlessly create engaging video presentations using realistic AI avatars. With features like an AI content spinner and a user-friendly interface, Quinvio makes video script customization and creation a breeze. The lifelike avatars bring a professional touch to your presentations, captivating your audience and holding their attention. With a range of customization options and easy exporting capabilities, Quinvio empowers businesses, content creators, and educators to take their video presentations to the next level. Pros of Quinvio. 1. AI Content Spinner. Create unique and engaging video scripts by spinning and rephrasing content. 2. Realistic AI avatars. Choose from a variety of lifelike avatars to add professionalism to your presentations. 3. User-friendly interface. Intuitive navigation and customization options make video creation easy, even for beginners. 4. Extensive customization. Tailor your videos with various backgrounds, fonts, and colors to match your brand or style. 5. Easy exporting. Share your videos on different platforms with multiple export options, including MP4 and GIF. Cons of Quinvio. 1. Limited voice diversity. The variety of AI avatars may be limited, potentially leading to similar-sounding voices for certain applications. 2. Pronunciation accuracy. The AI avatars may occasionally mispronounce words or names, requiring manual corrections. 3. Internet connection dependency. Quinvio's online functionality may be affected by a poor internet connection, causing potential delays. How to earn money from Quinvio. 1. Video creation services. Offer video creation services using Quinvio to businesses, entrepreneurs, or educators who require engaging presentations. 2. Educational content creation. Create and sell educational video content using Quinvio to reach a wider audience and provide valuable knowledge. 3. Marketing and branding. Utilize Quinvio to create compelling marketing videos for clients, promoting their products or services with captivating AI avatars. 4. Affiliate marketing. Join the Quinvio affiliate program and promote the tool to your audience, earning commissions for each successful referral. 5. Online course creation. Develop online courses using Quinvio to enhance the learning experience and attract students interested in interactive video content. Quinvio empowers you to create captivating video presentations with AI avatars, making your content more engaging and impactful. Whether you're a business professional, content creator, or educator, Quinvio offers a range of features to elevate your video presentations. Save time, enhance your brand, and impress your audience with Quinvio's cutting-edge technology. Take advantage of this fantastic AI tool and watch your video creations come to life. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe my channel.